Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Finally we've done it. Here we are, beautiful R1200C sissy bar. Okay, billet backrest. As you can see, this is a proper job. Okay, we are actually going to make two of these. It came with this original funny thing, the bottom bit, but as you can see, beautifully made CNC. This is all hand polished. Needs a bit more polishing, this particular one. It is like the first one we've ever done, but it will be polished. And as you can see, beautifully made. The pad majestically fits onto this backrest, and as you can see, very comfy. The stock R1200C backrest was pretty rank, let's be honest. It was really a pillion backrest, whereas this is a proper job. We can actually do taller ones as well, so if you want a much taller backrest than this, we can do that as well. But beautifully made CNC in sunny Alfreton. Okay, all billet alley means there's no chrome to come off, so very adaptable as well. You know, we put our little sticker on, Custom Cruiser sticker. You can obviously take that off, put your BM one in the middle. We've left that free for your BMW stickers, etc., or decals. Okay, but if you want something truly made in Europe, not in the Far East like most of this stuff is nowadays, as you can see, this is a very nice bit of kit available from customcruisers.eu, customcruisers.com. It will be on BMW-windshields.co.uk, and it will also be on customcruisers.com. At the moment, it's just going to be on customcruisers.eu. We are having issues with all of our websites at the moment, so I do apologise. But if you're interested in what basically is one of the greatest quality things you could ever buy, it will never snap. It's billet CNC. Give us a bell, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, email us, sales@customcruisers.com. Or as I say, visit www.customcruisers.eu.